Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you're all keeping safe out there at the moment. In today's video we're going to be looking at the max power warning some people are getting on their Mavic Minis, and by watching this simple short video might just save your Mavic Mini from falling out the sky. Let's jump into the video. So you've taken your Mavic Mini for a fly, maybe for the first time in a while, and everything seems to be going normally. All of a sudden you notice a warning on the screen, max power load reached. The drone is no longer stable and it's descending on its own, maybe even causing it to crash. Let's take a look at why this is happening to so many Mavic Mini owners and what is causing the issue. The first thing you probably noticed when buying your Mini was its lightweight, but you may have also noticed how wafer thin the propellers are. This is the cause of the problem. You can see that when the rear arms are folded beneath the drone that the propellers can flex. If left for long periods or stored with something pushing into the propellers, they become warped and then cannot produce the lift required to maintain flight. The motors will spin up to maximum power to try to compensate for the warped propellers, giving you a warning on the screen, but eventually the drone becomes unable to sustain altitude and will descend. Now if you own the Fly More combo, you may have noticed this sticker inside the case. It's very hard to read, but let's take a look at what it says. Now inside the case you can see this lovely raised section to keep the drone in place. Now if you don't align the propellers, you can guess where the pressure is going to be applied by this section. Yep, straight onto the propellers. Trying to put the propellers into the case straight is almost impossible. One will almost always slip down and get caught on this raised section. My advice is to store the drone very carefully, fully open, so no weight or pressure is applied to any of the propellers. Also, don't leave the drone in direct sunlight as it will almost certainly warp the props. Here are 3 warning signs that you might have warped propellers. So there you have it guys. If you have any of those 3 issues, the humming or whistling noise coming from the motors, the max warning on your screen, or the drone descending without command, then immediately land your drone and double check them propellers, okay? If you think this could help someone out, please share this with them. Hopefully it saves their drone. But if you like this video, give it a like down there, I believe. And if you want to see more of my content in the future, why not subscribe to my channel? Thank you so much for watching, and safe flying guys. Catch you soon.